Agent skills are the defining innovation of 2026. They turn your AI agent from a generic tool into an expert specialist that knows your domain, your workflows, and your preferences. If you've been using AIs like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, you know the pattern. Brilliant at general tasks, but utterly clueless about how you work. Agent skills change that. They're portable instructions and resources that teach your agent how you do things. And they work across Claude as well as Claude Code and an increasing number of other agents like Copilot, Codex, and OpenCode. Skills are surprisingly easy to use and create. You don't need to be a coder. If you're comfortable with power tools, you're ready. In the Mastering Agent Skills workshop, you'll learn how to use and build skills from scratch. From simple Markdown instructions to sophisticated workflows with templates and scripts. It's hands-on, practical, and focused on results. You leave with a library of skills you can keep growing and evolving, and a new superpower that lets you do 100x more with AI. 2026 is the year AI stops being a tool you prompt and starts being a colleague you onboard. Agent skills are how you make that happen. Join the workshop and make agent skills your superpower. This is a real opportunity to level up how you work with AI. Go to agenticventures.com, mastering agent skills. Link below.